Okay, what I'm set up to do now is start rinsing a bunch of lava rock. I've got a screen over some hardware cloth on a frame that I built a long time ago for cleaning hydroponic stuff. Comes in real handy. I've gone and rinsed out a 5-gallon bucket to go and put the clean stuff in, and I don't have to worry about chlorine or anything from a city water system since we're on our own well. Very seasoned old well but now, and I can put this water right into the fish tanks and they don't care. First bag. Tubing cutter comes in handy. I like to spread it out as much as I can, so I can rinse as much dust off as I can in the shortest amount of time. If they're all stacked up on top of each other, you're going to be missing stuff. And now we start rinsing. And there will be red dust all over the porch. Luckily though, it hoses off pretty easily. Yep, I got red dirt down here by my feet. Whole lot of red dirt. Even if they try to make it dust free, by the time it gets shipped and bagged and jostled around on forklifts and everything, you're going to have dust no matter what. So you have to rinse it no matter what, because you don't want this stuff in the fish system. I mean, a little bit's not going to hurt them, but who wants to breathe in red dust, volcanic dust? And inside the gills and inside of the lungs, it's like little tiny razor blades. Any way you slice it, it's not a good thing. I still see red stuff coming off. One of the reasons why I went and set this up over here is with concrete, I can go and hose the red stuff off and see if there's any more coming down when I flip back over. There we go, we got a little bit still coming out. The other way you can do this is go and put it in a big tub of water and slosh it around and then pull it out with a strainer or, you know, something like a colander or something. That works real well too. But since I got this rig set up and I've been using it for years, I've figured out how to use it. So I'm quite happy with this method. I don't see much red stuff coming off of it, so go ahead and throw it in the bucket. dropping a few rocks on the ground. That's no big deal. I will pick them up later. Another thing too is this stuff is kind of sharp on the hands, so it's a good idea to have leather gloves. Or I prefer deerskin gloves. Or hogskin. Hogskin works good too. The reason why I'm moving them all down here is I've got supports underneath down here. There is no support down here. So that will handle the weight of the bucket. This end won't. Now just by doing this, I'm actually creating more dust. Okay, that's one bag's worth down. I've got 11 more to go. We've got our first bucket. Now what we got to do, this protects the drains from all of this. So what we have to do is we have to put that in the center and get it centered, and then carefully put stone around the outside of it so it won't move. Last thing you want is this thing to move, like right there. I dropped a rock. You don't want anything in there with the bell siphon. It might get hung up and not work. Actually, you know what? I wanted to see just how much and how far one bag went. And that's not very far. Looks like it may take 4 bags per. Well, there's first bag. Like I said, 11 more to go. That's how that's going to work. Yeehaw.
Make the internet people nervous.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hey.
So did I knock some off?
Yeah. Several.
Good. Okay, where you want?
Try to get it as one layer. If you got stuff stacked up on each other, then you're not going to get the dust off of them. And boy, there's a lot of red dust on this.
Right. I'm gonna go put this in the trash.
As you may have noticed, I've gone and put a layer of weed blocking material over all of the lava rock. This is to separate the lava rock from the hydroton. The hydroton, once it gets intermixed with the lava rock, it's a real problem to separate. So what I've done in the past is I've gone and used a layer of this and put the hydroton on top of it and basically used the lava rock for drainage. Now Thomas is going to go and fill this with hydroton. Yeah, looks like I need 20 gallons worth on each grow bed. Because that was about 10 gallons worth. Okay, back to cleaning lava rock. Well, we washed all the hydroton and put it in here, and it looks like I need to go buy some hydroton, because yeah, we need at least another 2 or 3 inches inside of this bed, another 2 or 3 inches in that bed, and a whole lot for this last bed. So back to the internet, or going to find a hydroponic shop in Houston and get several bags of this stuff, which is a shame because this stuff is $65 a bag or thereabouts, and I'm gonna need at least 6 more bags just for these grow beds, not to mention all the stuff that's going to end up going in the flood table. So Come on back, hang out with us again on our next project. Enjoyed having you out, and we'll have some more fun on the farm. Thanks for watching.